everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring you the deals of Walgreens for April 25th through May 1st. Now it is going to be a new month, a new Walgreens booklet, I think, but they have okay deals. Not a lot of great deals as this week is, but I'm here to share with you guys the deals that do stick out in case you need to try something new or want to get something new products. So the first deal we have is the Crest and Oral-B. Those are going to be on sale for $4. Now you want to use three $2 off coupons that we are getting from the May and P&G. You can mix and match. You can do two toothpaste and one toothbrush, or two toothbrush and one toothpaste. Or there might be an option where you can do two paper coupons and one digital. So just give you a heads up with that. But you'll end up paying $6 for three of them. Then you'll end up getting a $5 register reward, making them just $1 for all three of them, or like 33 cents a piece. So it depends on if you want to do that deal. Now, if you do this deal with the Pantene, you have to do it in a separate transaction than the Oral-B deal because they're both the same like register reward deal. So I don't think this is a great deal, but in case you want to get some, go for it. But the Pantene is $4. You want to use a 3 off of 3 coupon that we are getting in our inserts, or there will be a digital copy included. Digital coupon. You'll end up paying $9 for it, but then you'll also receive that $5 register reward, making them $4 or just $1.33 each. Again, not the greatest deal, but some people like to get that stuff, and I just wanted to share with you on that. Now, here's a Colgate deal, $3.99. We are getting dollar off coupons, so you want to use two $1 off coupons for this deal from the 425 smart stores that we're getting this Sunday. You'll end up paying $5.98. But then you will receive $5 cash rewards, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece if you want to do that deal. This deal you can also pay with your cash rewards and get cash rewards back. Now here's the deal. There may or may not be coupons attached to it. As far as I know, I don't know any digitals, but there might be some anyways. So we're getting the Bounty and Tide for $4.99. It also includes the Charmin, the Downy, and the Bounce. But you want to buy 4 of them. You can mix and match. Like I said, I won't know until what digitals or what coupons go with what until the day of. But you want to buy 4 of them, and you'll pay $19.96. You will receive a $6 register reward for buying 4 of them, making the price $13.96 or just $3.49. Now, if you have a lot of register rewards from the previous week, you basically can use these as like filler items, so to get more register rewards, however, whatever works for you. Now we have the Irish Spring. They are 3 for $10. Now, I can't remember if these coupons have a limit of 2 on them. I cannot remember, but I think they have a limit of 2. So you want to use 2 75-cent off coupons that we get from our inserts, and then 1 75-cent digital. You'll end up paying $7.75 for 3 of them, but then you will receive $5 cash rewards, making the final price just $2.75 or just 92 cents a piece, which I haven't seen Irish Spring this low before. Now, it also does say soft soap, but as far as I know, we're not getting soft soap coupons. General Mills cereal is going to be on sale for $1.99. You want to use a $1 off a 2 printable coupon, $1 off a 2 insert coupon from the 328 smart source. Or there's also going to be probably most likely a digital coupon for $1 off of 2. Your final price would be $2.98 or just $1.49. Now here's some deals I just want to share with you in case you want to get some stuff. But the Revlon and Almay is buy one, get one 50% off. Plus, if you buy 2 of them, you'll get a $4 register reward. So depending on what deal you want, I know a lot of us are sick of those Kiss Balms, but in case you guys need to go do those deals, you can do that deal. And then another deal they have is the Purex. It is buy one, get one free. I don't know the price in the store. I want to say it's like $5.99 or $6.99. I don't know off the top of my head. But you basically will get 2 of them, and then you'll get a $2 cash rewards when you buy 2. So it just depends on if you do them. If there's any coupons out there for it, go for it. Now here is the sandwich bags, but you guys got to know, they're buy one, get one free. They're not the buy one, get two free. They're buy one, get one free. So just in case somebody needs bags, I would hold off and wait for this deal and get it when they do the buy one, get two free. I think they're trying to mix people up or something like that. But I just wanted to share with you on that in case anybody needs bags. But I will see you guys all this Sunday. Hopefully we have some good deals popping up. I'm excited to see what's in the Walgreens booklet, if it is a new booklet. But again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all on Sunday. See you later. Bye-bye.